So I've been teaching at Foothill for 26 years. My program has 5 different courses that students can take. We have from freshman entry-level introductory courses all the way up to senior capstone courses. The freshman course is a computer-aided drafting and 3D modeling class. My next level class studies mechanical engineering and civil engineering, robotics engineering, and the third class is a machine shop and engineering technology program where they learn welding and MIG and TIG welding. They learn to use CNC manufacturing machines, a mill, a lathe, and a plasma arc machine. We have a 1923 hot rod, which was donated to our program. So 2 of our students have taken on maintaining it, and we finally got it running, and it went to its first car show last weekend. So they're learning manufacturing processes that allow them to actually make real stuff. The next class I have is a senior level capstone course. And that's where they design and innovate a project that comes into their mind that they want to solve a problem for. In addition, I have a robotics program, an after-school robotics team. And that's all volunteer after school. It's not part of the classroom environment. Now our robots are really stacking the cones. This year's a cone stacking competition at the highest levels. We stacked 21 cones in a competition just last Saturday, and that's the highest stack in the world right now. I've included 3D printing into our program for many different reasons, but the first reason is I wanted kids to physically be able to touch what it is that they dream of in their mind. So they can dream it up, they can put it in a 3D model in a computer-aided drafting system, and then I wanted them to take it out of the computer and make it physical, so they could actually touch it. They could see if it was really what they wanted, see if it was dimensionally correct for its purpose. So that was really the first reason that I got the 3D printing going. And now I've elevated that to all the 3D printers we have in our room because I want students to learn what I consider probably one of the foremost up-and-coming manufacturing processes in the world. Because as the machines develop, the ability to 3D print in all kinds of exotic materials besides plastic and ABS and PLA and things like that will allow us and allow the manufacturing world to really make a dynamic shift from cutting it out of metal in a CNC machine to 3D printing it in metal out of a 3D printer. And so I know that's kind of on the cusp of where manufacturing is going, not for everything, but for some things. And so I want my students to have that hands-on approach to learning by actually touching the machines. Because I can see lots of future jobs that are going to require 3D printing. So that's why I have so many at my campus. I picked the Raise 3D printer really for 3 reasons. The machine was easy to use. I saw that the machine was understandable for students to use. It wasn't so complicated that they couldn't learn very quickly within 1 day's time how to operate a machine at the basic level and then elevate from there. So there was ease of use, there was approachable by students, and I saw that the price point made it possible for me to buy enough of them that I could have multiple students using the machines instead of just one student using the machines. Here at Foothill High School, I have definite dreams and plans for expanding my 3D printing and purchasing more Raise 3D printers. The wall behind me is going to be coming down. I'm going to be expanding my my innovation design center twice as big, and I'm looking at definitely buying the next level 3D printer from Raise 3D for this facility.